All right, I'm gonna start it up and take it out and just do a quick walk around. Automatic. All right, look under the hood first. Chevy LT1 V8, new battery, power brakes added, all new wiring harness added a little over a year ago, new radiator, fan, everything here is new battery. You can see this car was originally red. It was repainted under the previous ownership in Mississippi to the midnight blue color code. The hood is new. I have the full set of graphics. These graphics are from when I got it. You can see here, just little spots where you could tell it was red. But the body paint is pretty perfect. I do have the back seat, and I have the other bracket here for the back seat as well. It's got the Dana 300 transfer case, a Dana axle in the front,